Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting an online SQL platform and preparing one dataset to test. Pick a free sandbox or cloud editor that supports the SQL dialect you need. This matters because syntax and functions vary. Once chosen, sign in or use guest mode and load a sample CSV or the provided sample database. Make sure to confirm schema preview and data types so queries behave as expected before you write anything. Now you write core queries step by step so you can validate each change. Start with a simple select and a limit to confirm column names and types, then add where filters to narrow results. Once correct, introduce join to combine tables, group by for aggregates, and order by for sorting. Run after each change to catch errors early. Save working queries or copy versions so you can revert quickly if a change breaks results. Finish by exporting or automating your SQL work to make it repeatable. Export query results as CSV or JSON for downstream use, or set up scheduled jobs or API keys if the platform offers automation. Once done, document key queries and naming conventions. If something goes wrong, first preview sample rows and data types, then check syntax and aliasing. Make sure joins use the correct keys. If performance lags, add indexes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.